Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedules and to join us for this quick update. I just want to take 5 to 10 minutes of your time just to share with you some concerns have come to my ears and some worries about what we're trying to do here. I want you to imagine something with me. It's the year 2035 and your child is 25 years old. They're sitting in an interview for a job that doesn't exist today using technology that hasn't even been invented yet. The interviewer asked them a simple question. Tell me about a problem you've solved, something that required creativity, collaboration, and courage. Now, here's the question. Will your child have a story to tell? If your child comes to our school, we promise you, when we're finished with them, they will have a story to tell. The problem is, for far too long, our education system has trained students to sit still, to memorize, and repeat. We've given them the answers to yesterday's questions, but not the skills for tomorrow's challenges. And that's why we're building a new kind of school here, one that doesn't just prepare children for the next test, but prepares them for the next century. What is the model? Here's how it works. Each morning, your child spends 2 hours in focused, rigorous academic learning, not endless worksheets or busy work, but powerful targeted instruction. Math, reading, science, writing, the essential building blocks of their education. Then the rest of the day, they get to use what they've learned. They become problem solvers, innovators, creators. They work in teams to design solutions to real world challenges, sustainability, technology, entrepreneurship, community issues. They don't just read about history, they make history. Imagine your sixth grader in the morning. She learns about percentages. By the afternoon, she's helping a local business figure out how to reduce waste by 20%. Picture your high schooler. They write persuasive essays in the morning. In the afternoon, they stand in front of city leaders, pitching a plan to improve public spaces in the neighborhood. Every day, knowledge becomes actionable. Learning becomes living. Why does this matter? The truth is, the future belongs to those who can think critically, adapt quickly, and collaborate deeply. These are not skills you cram for an exam. They're muscles that you build through practice, through experience, through solving problems that actually matter. And that's exactly what this school model does. It builds those muscles in your children every single day. So our vision is to see a generation of young people who walk into the world not timid, but fearless, who don't just consume knowledge, but create solutions, who graduate not asking, what can I do with my degree, but declaring, here's the difference I'm already making. So let's return to that job interview in 2035 rather. The interviewer leans forward. Tell me about a problem you saw when your child smiles because they have dozens of stories to tell, stories of projects that matter, teams they led, challenges they overcame. They're not just ready for the job, they're ready for life. Parents, that's the future we can give them, the education they deserve. And it starts the moment you decide to put them in this school that dares to be different, because the future won't wait, and neither should we.